Hello, I'm Ozempic.
GLP-1s are everywhere.
Microdose GLP-1s.
From ripping through Hollywood,
I'm on row,
to Super Bowl commercials. Many have called the drugs a medical miracle.
It is, in fact, a miracle.
In hopes of finally making progress in America's obesity crisis. And today, adding to the mounting evidence that these drugs could have benefits besides weight loss, a new study finding a 37% lower risk of death in patients with metastatic brain cancer. But the economic miracle that once seemed a sure bet, now very much in question. Novo Nordisk, the Danish company that kicked off the craze with Ozempic, had a market value larger than Denmark's whole economy just 2 years ago. But since then, the stock shedding more than 70%. The CEO recently telling CNBC it might get worse before it gets better.
People should expect that it goes down before it comes back up.
Why? Well, some experts say a combination of competition and some negative headlines. Novo Nordisk going after companies like Hims and Hers for what it called mask illegal compounding after the copycats were being sold for a fraction of the cost of its own blockbuster drug, Wegovy. But just this week, the company is coming to a deal, with Hims agreeing to sell Novo's products instead, sending Hims stock surging, Novo getting just a little bump. There was also an FDA warning letter to the company citing serious violations for failing to report potential side effects linked to semaglutide, the active ingredient in Ozempic and Wegovy. The company responding Tuesday saying the warning letter, quote, largely seeks additional details on regulatory compliance. It does not make any conclusions about the quality or safety of our medicines. Not every GLP-1 maker is feeling the squeeze. American competitor Eli Lilly stock still only about 12% off its all-time high from a few months ago.
Eli Lilly's new oral drug for treating type 2 diabetes performed better than Novo Nordisk, and also price competition. We've seen prices continue to come down for GLP-1 treatments.
More than 10% of Americans say they're using the drugs for weight loss or other chronic conditions, according to one survey, and they continue to make a massive cultural impact, shaking up menus, with many restaurant chains offering smaller portion sizes and packing in protein, something prioritized by many taking the drugs. The latest, Buffalo Wild Wings rolling out an espresso protini this weekend. So as the world shifts its business to GLP-1s, it's still unclear whether the OG drug maker Novo Nordisk can capitalize on the popularity.
Emily is joining us now. Espresso protini in hand. Just kidding. I wish. Let's talk about the sort of next
I wish
big.
too, Hallie.
Seriously, next big front on this. We've talked about this in the show. It's the pills, right? Instead of the shots. That feels like where the sort of next frontier is, and there's, I'm assuming, a pricing battle coming on that front too.
That's right, Hallie. But as of now, only Novo has the drug available in pill form. So Wegovy in pill form right now, the starting price for that is cheaper than the injectables. The starting price is $149. That is for cash-paying patients. Now, that's compared to the injectable price. The starting price there for cash-paying patients is $349 per month. That compares to Zepbound, which is Eli Lilly's version, which starts at $299 per month. But we are expecting in the second quarter for Eli Lilly to come out with a competitor pill there.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.